generation of steam, how does that come to be? A boiler is a heat exchanger that receives water, and once we add heat to the water, water either is hot water or it goes into a vapor phase change, which is steam. I always say that our company develops and manufactures a lot of great products, but our best product is our employees. By having them exceed the expectations of their actual job. By doing that, we put that into our products, and so therefore, when you work with our company, that we're going to go that one extra degree. And then at the end of the day, our products really speak for themselves in that the final quality, the design, the overall concept on how we approach the boiler market is very unique.
My name's Jeff Cole, and I currently lead business development for Victory Energy. One of the values that Victory Energy, I think, brings to industry at large is our diversity. So what we're able to do, unlike many of our contemporaries, is to provide a very, very diverse product line.
And each one of those product lines, the Voyager, the Discovery, the Frontier, the Horizon, and the Solar Gen, are all different in their own way, that we could provide a single source solution for our clients. Whether it's a hospital, a refinery, food processing company, a biofuels type company like an ethanol plant, whereas our product goes into their process and is an additive to the end result of their final product.
One of the differentiators that we bring to the table is that we're more vertically integrated than many of our contemporaries. Others might tend to outsource many of those same steps, where we have direct control over the critical steps of the process in engineering, designing, manufacturing the product, or potentially being sensitive to a unique request from our client along the way. As business development leader, I am instilled with a lot of confidence in that I can bring any application to our technical team and they're able to come up with the appropriate solution.
The 212 principle is simply this. At 211 degrees, water's hot. At 212 degrees, that 1 degree, water boils. With hot water, not a lot of things get accomplished. And with that one added extra degree, we make steam and we can power the progress of change. And so what we do with the 212 principle at Victory Energy is, from the concept of developing a boiler to the small little detail things that we do that makes our product from good to great. And how we implement that change when we receive a project from our customer is, from an engineering perspective, we will look at what the code says we need to do and we'll go 1 degree higher than what the code says. So we're adding more product, a heavier boiler, more engineer value for the client, like insulated drum head covers. We use a special bracketing system, and the final product presentation shows quality.
The process from concept to completion starts before we even know about the opportunity. It starts with a relationship that our representative has with a local customer. That is then leveraged in finding opportunities, identifying them, qualifying them, and then when we're engaged in a more detailed level, we can actually take that relationship to the next level. But at the end of the day, it is about relationships between individual people. We are problem solvers and solution providers.
At Victory Energy, we have a green initiatives process in place, whereas our product line is always focused about high efficiency and reclaiming as much energy as possible within each one of our products to make sure we're the most efficient company in the industry. We bring that product inside our organization, and the most talented engineering staff in the industry works on that project. We implement the processes with our 212 principle that makes our product stand out, to make sure the customer feels that they were touched from the very beginning, from a local sales representative to our in-house sales staff, to our engineering personnel, to our project management personnel, right through manufacturing, to transportation, to installation, through startup, through aftermarket parts and sales, and then hopefully their next plant expansion, they'll come back to Victory Energy and realize that they were touched by all parts of our team.
So we want to ultimately make sure that that customer feels good about what we've accomplished together. And what we've been able to demonstrate in terms of our capabilities, that's the goal of every project, is to make sure that we finish strong.